Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Jobber for pressure washing business. So, um, the first thing that you are going to do here is we are going to sign up for an account. So, you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Jobber, and then you have this first website. Okay, so you just have to tap on it, and then you have this option right here, which is a start free trial. So you just have to sign up for an account, and then after that you just have to log in, and it will be directed to your dashboard. Okay, so again, Jobber is an all-in-one app that helps you manage your customers, schedule jobs, send codes and invoices, and track your daily work. So you gotta think of it as your business manager for your pressure washing services. So once you're here, you just have to add your clients. So tap on the clients option, tap on the new client. That's right. And then you just have to input right here the primary contact details of your client. So provide a main point of the contact to ensure smooth communication and reliable client records. Then after that, the property address. So enter the primary service address, billing, or any additional locations where services may take place. You can also add notes like type of property, areas to clean like driveway, roof, or walls, and special instructions. The next one is to create your services and your codes. Okay, so just go here to your codes and then tap on the new code option. So you can reduce repetition and save time by using code template. So I'm just going to create a new code right here. So for example, you're going to tap it right here, driveway cleaning. Okay, so let me just tap out driveway cleaning. And then I just have to select your client. That's right. And then you just have to select your product or service. And then you just have to set your pricing and then send a code to your client. So you just have to tap on this one and then send us email, send us text message, or convert to job, or mark as a waiting response. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to close this section. Then the next one is to schedule the job. So you just have to go to the schedule section. So once approved, you just have to go to your calendar and then schedule the job and then assign it to yourself or to your team. So for example, we are going to create a new job right here. That's right. And then for pressure washing, you can plan jobs based on weather. So avoid overlapping bookings, organize multiple locations in one day, and everything stays clear and organized. You just have to give this job a name and then the job type if it's one off or recurring. Okay, so the next one after creating your codes and your service is to view the job details. So on the day of the job, you just have to open the Jobber application. Of course, you have to download that to your mobile phone and then tap your scheduled jobs. And then you'll see the client location, the service details, and the notes and the instructions. So no more confusion when you arrive on site. Next one is to complete the job. So after finishing the work, mark the job as complete. So you just have to go here and you'll be able to see here all of your jobs and then time spent and issues or recommendation. So this helps with future bookings and repeat clients. And lastly is to get paid. So you have to create your invoices. So just go here to the invoices section. Okay, and then create a new invoice. So you just have to review the services, send via email or SMS, and then clients can pay online and Jobber can send automatic reminders. So faster payment means better cash flow. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.